Ready to give your pole beans the support they deserve? Let's talk trellises, teepees, and netting. Your beans will thank you. Pole beans are natural climbers, but without the right support, they can end up in a tangled mess. So what are the best options to keep those beans reaching for the sky? First up, trellises. These are a go-to for many gardeners. They're simple to set up and provide plenty of vertical real estate for your beans to climb. You can use anything from wooden frames to metal grids. Just make sure it's sturdy. Next, we have teepees. Made from bamboo or wooden poles, teepees add a rustic charm to your garden. They're functional and look fantastic, especially in smaller spaces. Plus, they're super easy to construct, and for those with larger gardens, netting is your best friend. It's perfect for maximizing space and guiding your beans upward. Just stretch it between two poles and let your beans do the rest. Now let's talk setup. Install your supports at planting time. This way, your beans can start to climb as soon as they sprout. Make sure your supports are firmly anchored in the ground. Your future harvest will be quite heavy. Once your supports are up, it's time to train your beans. Gently guide the young vines onto the structure. Wrap them around a bit, and they'll happily continue to climb on their own. With these tips, your pole beans will be soaring high in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!